Okay, again, reading text in 6-8. We're on page 42, and like I keep saying, video after video, excuse me, the way this should be played, number one, counting out loud and alternating the strokes, like so. Make sure that the right and the left sound the same. There's no dynamics or any other markings. What I will do occasionally is play with just one hand. You can do that to break up the mathematical system, but I recommend the alternating the strokes. And also, it's essential to count out loud. So we're on page 42. I'm going to break down each measure in increments from the count of 1, 2, 3, and then 3, 4, 5. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, and then 4, 5, 6, and I will play the measure complete after I break it down. Okay, so let's start. Page 42, line 1, first measure, breakdown. Okay, you have 1, 2, and 3 and, then 4 and 5 and 6 and. Line 1, measure number 1, complete. 1, 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6 and. Okay, measure number 2, breakdown. 1, boom. 1 and 2 and 3, then 4, 5, 6. Measure number 2, line 1, complete. 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, measure number 3, breakdown. 1 and 2, 3, then 4 and, I'm sorry, it's a group, I can't see that, I apologize. Let me start that again. Line 1, measure number 3, breakdown. 1 and 2, 3, then 4 and 5 and 6. Okay, measure number 3, line 1, complete. 1 and 2, 3, 4 and 5 and 6. Line 1, measure number 4, breakdown. 1, 2, 3 and then 4 and 5, 6. 6 is the rest, I'm sorry. 4 and 5, 6. Again, I'll break it down. 1, 2, 3 and then 4 and 5, 6. Line 1, measure number 4, complete. 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 5, 6. Okay, line number 2, measure number 1. 1 and 2 and 3 and then 4 and 5, 6. Line 2, measure number 1, complete. 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 5, 6. Line number 2, measure number 2, breakdown. 1, 2 and 3, then 4, 5 and 6 and. Line 2, measure 2, complete. 1, 2 and 3, 4, 5 and 6 and. Line 2, measure number 3, breakdown. Okay, 1 and 2 and 3 and then 4, 5 and 6. Line 2, measure number 3, complete. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6. Okay, line number 2, measure number 4, breakdown. 1 and 2, 3 and, then 4, 5 and 6. Line 2, measure number 4, complete. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6. Okay, line number 3, measure number 1, breakdown. 1 and 2 and 3 and then 4, 5 and 6 and. Okay, line 3, measure number 1, complete. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and. Line 3, measure number 2, breakdown. 1 and 2 and 3, then 4, 5 and 6 and. Line number 3, measure number 2, complete. 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 5 and 6 and. Okay, measure number 3, line 3, breakdown. Now I really can't break this one down because there's the whole note. And the whole note equals 2 quarter notes, half note rather. The half note equals 2 quarter notes or 4/8 notes. So I'm going 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, line 3, measure number 3, complete. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, measure number 4, line 3, breakdown. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then 5 and 6 end. I really can't break that down one either. So I'm going to play line 3, the 4th measure, complete. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 end. Line 4, measure number 1, breakdown. 1, 2, 3 and then 4 and 5 and 6. Line 4, measure number 1, complete. 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 5 and 6. Line 4, measure number 2. I might have to play that one throughout, and I'll do it slower. 1, 2 and 3. Okay, I can break it down. 4, 5, 6 and Line 4, measure number 2, complete. Slow. 1, 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6 and measure line number 4, measure number 3, breakdown. 1 and 2, 3 and then 4, 5 and 6 and. Line number 4, measure number 3, complete. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and. Okay, line number 4, measure number 4, breakdown. 1 and 2 and 3 and then 4, 5, 6. Line 4, measure number 4, complete. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5, 6. Okay, line number 5, measure number 1, breakdown. 1, 2 and 3 and then 4, 5 and 6. Line 5, measure 1, complete. 1, 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6. Line 5, measure number 2, breakdown. 1, 2, 3 and then 4 and 5 and 6. Line 5, measure number 2, complete. 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 5 and 6. Line 5, measure number 3, breakdown. 1, 2 and 3 and then 4, 5, 6. Line 5, and measure number 3, complete. 1, 2 and 3 and 4, 5, 6. Line 5, I'm not going to break that down. I'm going to play it right through. Okay, I'll do it slow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Again, I'll do it a little bit faster. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, line 6, measure number 1, breakdown. 1 and 2 and 3 and then 4, 5, 6. Line 6, measure number 1, complete. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5, 6. Line 6, measure number 2, breakdown. 1, 2E and 3 and then 4 and 5, 6 and. Line 6, measure number 2, complete. 1, 2E and 3 and 4 and 5, 6 and. Line 6, measure number 3, breakdown. 1 and 2 and 3E and, then 4 and 5, 6. Line 6, measure number 3, complete. 1 and 2 and 3E and 4 and 5, 6. Line 6, measure number 4, breakdown. Well, I'm not going to break that down. I'm going to do it slow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now I'll play a little faster. Line 6, measure number 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so remember, try, challenge each measure, do it slow, hopefully using full strokes. When you pick up the speed, you want to use a little bit, lower the sticks a little bit into the half stroke position. But one of the important elements, other than, using the metronome and playing the bass drum and playing this in time, is to maintain on both sides equal sound, right and left. Because, I'm sorry, there is no dynamic markings, no accents. Just play straight up the way it's written. Thank you.